Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back. I know I'm very inconsistent with the uploads, but this is why. I know I told y'all I was putting the top end on here, and I was planning on it. I got to rebuild. I got to doing it. I went to put the wrist pin in, and it's on stock, so I might trade these or something. I don't know yet, but I want to take the wrist pin out. I'll show y'all. The bottom end is cooked now. I ain't even gonna lie, but that's stuck in there. I've heated it. I've tried everything. Give me 1 second. But I don't know if you can see that, but right there is warped. Like, we felt inside before, and it felt like smooth and good to go. But then I realized when I was putting the wrist pin through, it wouldn't go through like it's supposed to, and it was warped. So I froze the wrist pin. I heated the rod. I tried everything for like 3 hours the other day. Beat it. I tried everything, and it ain't going. And a new crank, like a rebuild, you gotta buy basically a whole new crank to replace the rod, shaft, everything. It's like 600. You gotta tear it apart. So I'm trying to find a parts motor. I think that's my best bet. Not a parts motor, just a whole nother motor. It don't have to have a top end, just a bottom end really, but I will buy a top end and whole. It don't matter, but that's why I haven't uploaded. I am getting my truck back tomorrow, so I'll probably make a video on that. I'm gonna do some color matching. I'll probably make a video on that, like showing y'all. So yeah, peace out.